Hello friends, as you may know, I have Gupta Hospital in the city of Pune. My hospital is also recognized as a center for skill enhancement for a very unique program called Lakshya Manyata. Let me tell you a little bit more about this program. The Lakshya Manyata is a program jointly implemented by FOXI and the Health Department of Government of Maharashtra. This is basically a quality improvement program for maternal and newborn care for private hospitals across the state. Originally, Manyata, which is Clinical Quality Improvement and Standardization Program, is being implemented by FOXI in many other states of our country. Uniqueness of this program of our state of Maharashtra is that the state government is also collaborating with FOXI in support of this useful activity. This program is extremely beneficial to you and your hospital in many ways. To start with, it will provide on-ground and virtual trainings to your healthcare staff on 16 clinical and 10 facility standards that are crucial for providing safe, respectful and quality care to the patients. If your facility is then able to successfully implement these protocols, it will be awarded Lakshya Manyata certification. This is a stamp of quality, an endorsement from the Government of Maharashtra and FOXI recognizing your hospital as a facility which provides quality care with skilled and capable staff. I have been associated with this program since its inception, and I can personally vouch for the transformation that it's capable of bringing about in delivery of healthcare services. The trainings have helped providers and their staff grow professionally and personally, not only equipping them with knowledge of best practices and hands-on skills, but also helping them become more motivated, confident, and compassionate in their jobs. One component that's received a lot of positive feedback is respectful maternity care. This has changed the way the staff interacts with the patients. Beyond capacity building for a stronger healthcare team, you stand to benefit immensely from the program. For one, you can be protected against medico-legal cases as you're an accredited as facility which provides standard care. Two, you gain a competitive advantage over your peers since your facility will officially be recognized and endorsed by the state government as well as FOXI for excellence in maternity services. 3. It gives you access to a wide network of quality certified peers. The benefits don't end there. If you would like to understand the program better or have your questions answered, we at FOXI are conducting regular virtual sessions with various Afghani societies across Maharashtra. In these sessions, you will be provided a free demonstration of one of the Lakshya Manyata standards as well as will be given more information and benefits of the program. To conduct a session for your society or for any other questions you may have, please write to npmu at npmufoxy@gmail.com. They will help you in registering for this program also. So let's make Maharashtra a safer place for childbirth together. Thank you.